This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide or show the menu and toolbar in Google Docs. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am on Google Docs. I have a little example project here to hide or show your menu or your toolbar in Google Docs. If you look up here where it says File, Edit, View, Insert, that is your menu bar, and down below that is your toolbar that's got all your tools in here. The way to hide or show them, sometimes they can disappear on you and you don't know how to get them back. Mine are right now showing, but to show them or hide them, for the menu bar, the top one, you want to go off to the right side over here, up to this up arrow. If yours is missing, you'll see a down arrow, but mine is showing an up arrow because mine is showing. I'm going to click on that up arrow. And as you can see, my menu bar has disappeared. My toolbar is still showing. But to bring that back, all I need to do is go back up to that down arrow. Mine is now a down arrow. I'm going to click on it. Now my menu bar is again showing. And to hide or show the toolbar down here, you want to go off to the right side. And right next to that up arrow, you can see I have an editing thing. It says I am in editing mode. If this ever disappears on you, that means I'm going to click on it. That means I'm in viewing mode. If I click on viewing, the toolbar has now disappeared. And to bring that back, I'll just go back up top here. As you can see, now I am in viewing mode. I'll click on the drop down and I'm going to put it back in editing mode. That is how to hide or show the menu and toolbar in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.